Hello guys, I've got a treat for you this week. I've managed to get Happy Wheels, and I've don't know what to do on it. All I know is the voices of the characters. So let's go on some Happy Wheels. Let's play. So need to go to you, don't we? Whoa! Don't move. Okay. I will not touch anything. Woo! Whoa! Backflip mama. Oh, whoa. Wow! I think I fatality. Woo! Oh, it's awesome. It's just something else, bro. Let's go down to the bottom. It's Star Wars. Wow, we gotta play this. Let's be this guy. Angry Dad. Wow. Da 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 da. Da da. Drop me my sword. Give me my sword. Yeah. Ah, I hit you. Come here. Ha. What are you saying? I just... What the hell? You can't even do anything on this. Pray. So, try to do it. No, I'm okay. 99% impossible. I bet you I can do it. Just be pogo stick guy, he can do everything. I think this is like 100% possible. What? What the? How? What? How? What's wrong with this guy? What the fuck has happened to him? Oh, that creeped me out. It's freaky. Sword throw. Okay, let's do a bit of sword throwing. Oh, whoa. That's it. Oh, threat. Oh, take me. Ah. I don't need you. Ah. It's too fast. Ah. Go away, little girl. You know nothing of me. Double kill. No, Santa! I didn't mean to kill Santa. Santa Claus is nice. Santa Claus gives me presents. And Santa Claus... So something to do. Do it again. What? I hate you no matter what. Where'd she go? Oh, seriously? Killed myself. Screw you. You don't like little girls. You put a knife through his asshole. Oh, I'm a unicorn. Yay. I'm not chucking the swords at. I'm chucking it at Invisible Woman. Santa! Aw. Kill me. I didn't mean to kill Santa. No! Oh, what's going on down there? I didn't mean to kill Santa Claus. Oh, didn't mean to kill Santa Claus. Right. Let's go see what's down here. Trolling. Okay. Angry Dad. Hello? Seriously, I'm going to play this. That's dinner disaster. You got my turkey sandwich wrong. Of course. You want some melons? No! How dare you! I'm going to flip out on you. I need to kick the table. Blow up. This is Oh. Restart. Never! I am now a bridge. Oh. Oh. Yeah! Just for ruining my turkey sandwich. And I don't like melons. Don't like melons. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Okay. Ah, not fair. Super ball throw. I take it you have to throw balls at somebody. Oh. Swans. Lag. No, don't lag. Why are you doing this to me? Okay, let's try that again. I guess I don't want me to die. I'm ready. How mean? Okay. Why did you need to hate someone to do that? That didn't work. How even good? Seriously? Oh. Haha! Still alive. Going to rip out the swords from me. Oh, now I'm dead. I can do this. Nothing can get in my way. What? Why me? That's nasty. How dare you? Bet you there's no way of winning this. Let's grab the ball. Okay, grab. There should know how to grab balls. Come on! Just don't want me to win, does it? But I keep trying. Don't you know how to... Ow! Alright, blows. Alright, let's do something else. Yeah. This is how we roll. I can tell you. Angry Dad can do this. Daddy, I love you! Whoa! Daddy! Ah! Go, legs! That's physically impossible. Let's go right down here. What can we do down here? Jet wall. Oh, I can totally do this. I mean, woo! Woo! Told you I'm good at jet walls. Don't you dare, JB. Just make that one go. Kill my son. Just killed me then. How did that work? So easy. The hell killed me? It's impossible, isn't it? Okay. It's there, but something killed me. Die, son. I get up. There. That's wicked. Awesome map, dude. You rock. Can I make it? Of course I can make it. Who won't make this? I'm the wrong character. Whee! Woo! Let's hop in the room. I kill you. Hate you. Daddy, I love you. I'm disgrace. Ow. Still going to do this. How are you meant to make that? Let's go. No, I don't want to do it. I wanted to go motor run. Sounds like a job for Earth. Oh wow. Whee! God. It's mental. Toby spike ball. Cool. Right, okay. Change character. What, I can't? Okay. Do this like a man. Ow! Oh! You can't beat that. I have just owned you. Minecraft? Ooh! I want to be someone else. Let's be this guy. Looks notch. Oh. What the hell? I'm a mower. I'll mow your lawn much. I don't think he's going to live through this. Stop moving, Brooks. Is this it? Is that all it was? The hell? It sucks. Oh, something happened. It's a river of blood, okay. Pogo challenge. Oh yeah. Never be JB. Never. Oh! Dolphin powers activate. Woo! I'm a dolphin. Skills. Can't even do this. Seriously. Don't you dare, don't you dare. I'm extreme. I am what the F, man. Face plant. Who needs that? I have dolphin powers. You can't make it, idiot. Call me an idiot. Yes, I can make it actually. Fish pond. Oh! 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 Crap, don't push me. Do what I like. What the? I should have touched him. He had a point. But I technically won that, so ballful. Okay. Oh man. Indiana Jones, hello. I can tell it's awesome. You're kidding, I have to be old man. Go for it. You can make it. I can't make it. What's wrong with the wheel? Maybe this is the guy I have to be. Whee! I am a super person. Whee! Are you kidding? I can totally make this. You know why? Because I love being pink. Ta-da! Oh! Come on, superpowers. Seriously, it's just a fun part. Wiggle, 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 yeah. Wiggle, 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 yeah. Do the wiggle dance. Wah! Wah! Let me out. Oh yeah. Cannot beat me. Oh, look at the time. Okay. I'll say this is going to be my last one. So let's make it a good one. Still obstacle course. Yeah? Okay, still obstacle course. I'm obviously going to be this guy. He was like... Whoa. Wah! How good you have to be me. Oh, come on. Back flip. No, front flip. What am I doing? Ah! I do it with killing my son. I hate you. I hate you, you piece of crap. Actually, we have time for this one more. John's little brush. Let's do this. The hell is this? You can make it. What are you doing? I'm flying. Whee! Whoa! I was lucky. Alright, I can totally make you. Oh, so close. So close to death as well. Fly with me. JB, it's your fault. Not screw. Okay. Is there anything else that needs to be done? Right. Good then. Minefield. This is the last one, guys. Let's make it count. Be Santa Claus. Never knew he was a person. Run. Run. Run, you little minions. Keep running. Oh, well, I can fly. Fly to the finish line. Santa! Watch out. Bye, Santa. He's going to be delivering presents for a long time. Right. Thank you, bros. Actually, no. I want to call you bros. Let's call you people. Thank you, people. Let's call you people. You're fun people. Aren't you? So, yeah, as I say, thank you for watching and Don't speak. Alright, yeah, see you next time we play Happy Wheels. Thanks for watching, subscribe, give me more things to play. I don't mind whatever it is, as long as I'm entertained and you are entertained. So anything you want. Thank you for watching. See you later, my guys.